Show you without going into the calendar how to schedule a calendar activity using the shortcut. If you go to calendar, for loading calendar itself in Microsoft Teams, it is taking long time. So better see, for example, I logged into my Teams. I'll go to my respective team where I had to schedule a calendar activity. So for example, here I'll go 11th C for tomorrow's class. I'm scheduling 11th C computer science. Okay, once you click on the channel, you will see on the top right, you can see team, meet, and meet. Here you can see a drop down, more options are there. Just click on that. So meet now and schedule a meeting option is available there. If you are using a computer or a laptop, then using the web app. Okay, so directly click on the schedule a meeting. And then add title. So 11th computer science by Mrs. Kiran Kumari. Okay, yes. Right, add require attendees. I'll add here my class 11th C. Okay, so if it is not available also, it is optional. Yeah, anyway we are posting into the particular channel, not to worry. Okay, right now I am posting into 11th C computer science. Just click tomorrow, as it is to be scheduled for Friday 11 to 12. So I am selecting the timings. So 11 a.m. to on the same day 12 noon, 1 hour. Okay, so now I'll click send. Right now it is posted into 11th C computer science. Right, so now 11th C computer science, now you can see it will be, it is posted here Friday 21st August 11 a.m. Yes, I just want to make some changes, or I want to copy the link and paste into multiple channels, as it is a combined class tomorrow. So I will take so I'll go to description, join Microsoft Teams meeting. Okay, copy link address, and well in advance I will make the changes of that meeting options also. Yes, I will make meeting options so that students will not disturb my class, students will not remove one another, all these things, no. So to make that, I'll go to meeting options, make presenter as only me, and then save. I'll come back here. Okay, I'll close this session. See, I have already copied. Say right click, copy link address, already copied. Okay, so close this, and this repeats every Friday, so that also I can change. But now let me first post to multiple channels. So computer science, go to computer science. Yes, click on format option. So 11th computer science combined class on tomorrow is 21st August 2020 at 11 a.m. I'll mention from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. Here is the link. Okay, I'm providing. Here is the link to join class. Okay, so I pasted the link here by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, and then send. And where and all post in multiple channels. Where and all I have to post before sending 11th computer science, and then I want to select one more channel, 11th B also computer, 11th C and 11th B. So I click on select channels, then we go 11th, C, 11th A, 11D, okay, 11B. I search for 11th B, computer science, update. Okay, then send. So now if you open and see 11th B and 11th C, so now if I open 11th B, computer science, you will see the shortcut of the same calendar activity which is made available. Okay, you can find. So children will click on this link and they will join the class. Okay, so instead of going to calendar loading also will take long time. It is a very easy technique and shortcut to schedule a meeting by using the top right meet drop down. Clear? So now I'll go to my computer science 11th B again. Otherwise I click on this link. If you click on this link directly, you can join. Children also can join by clicking on the link. So now as class is not scheduled now, so I am not joining, just I am showing you this link will work to join. Computer science. Okay, so here I will share the attendance Google form also well in advance, so that yeah, during that time I can just ask them to fill. So now I am not taking any I am not accepting any responses. So during my class I will make it open, so that yeah, so they can mark attendance using the Google form. In computer science, I know. So here is the link of Google form to mark attendance during class. Right, so this also I will share in both the channels, as it is a command class. Attendance form, 11th computer science attendance form. This is I will be accepting the responses only on the day 21st August 2020. So here I have given the link of the Google form. Okay, this attendance form should not be, see, this form is no longer accepting responses. So well in advance I kept it is not accepting responses. Only that time I'll keep it open so that children can mark their attendance, and then again I'll close that. Same form can be reused, and you can sort out the results in the Excel sheet as per the date and time. Thank you.